The Birds Begun at 4 o'clock by Emily Dickinson. The birds begun at 4 o'clock, their period for dawn, a music numerous as space, but neighboring as noon. I could not count their force, their voices did expend, as brook by brook bestows itself to multiply the pond. Their witnesses were not, except occasional man in homely industry arrayed to overtake the morn. Nor was it for applause that I could ascertain, but independent ecstasy of deity and men. By 6, the flood had done. No tumult there had been of dressing or departure, and yet the band was gone. The sun engrossed the east, the day controlled the world, the miracle that introduced, forgotten as fulfilled.